Good morning everyone. So welcome po dito sa Saltesio Azul. So kakagising ko lang. So ito po yung view na nakikita nyo ngayon. So napaka-aliwalas ng paligid. Very refreshing. And as you can see, nature. Ayan. Ang ganda. So talaga pong napaka-peaceful dito. So kung gusto niyo mag-relax, talaga marirelax kayo kasi hindi siya crowded and napakaputi ng buhangin. And also, ayan, yung mga cottages as well as yung mga activities nila dito is very fun talaga. Worth it for its price. So kakagising ko nga lang, medyo magulo pa yung, but dito agad sa front beach ako dumiretso kasi I want to breathe a fresh air. Gusto ko makalanghap agad ng fresh air to start my day. And later by 8 a.m. may free breakfast siya. So for only 1,999, may sleepover, may free breakfast, free swimming, and pwede kayong maggala and roam around the area. So that's it. Have a blessed day everyone.